jumping in time to the, for this channel, unbelievably recent 19th century. To be precise, to the 1893 cookbook, The Epicurean, published by Charles Ranhofer, New York's first celebrity chef at Delmonico's, and the inventor of Eggs Benedict. That book is a whopping volume containing 3,715 recipes, which are based on the classic French cuisine of the time, meaning that you really have to be enthusiastic about Béchamel or Hollandaise sauce as well as truffles, no matter what the underlying ingredient. I wanted to give it a try though, and I have chosen this extraordinary fish dish from the collection, sea bass with sweet almond butter. In contrast to all those earlier recipes I usually cook on this channel, this one gives precise instructions and, in the case of the almond butter, even amounts, so I need to restrain myself from interpreting. I have cut the amounts for the almond butter in half for household use. I would also cut the amount of sugar used in the almond butter, but I leave that decision to you.